Hey guys, Chris with 4K Motoring back with you today. Got a little update that I'm trying to keep you guys informed about. So anybody that's seen the infotainment system, or really just the stereo in these C5 Corvettes, knows that while not bad for the time, they're getting a little dated at this point. So that is what I'm hoping to fix. I found a double-din Pioneer head unit that has Android Auto wireless and Apple CarPlay wireless built into it, which is what I've really been after. A guy had it in his C6 Corvette. He's parting out that Corvette, so I'm getting a really good deal on this unit compared to stock, so I'm going to go grab it. I've already ordered the actual bezel, the center console unit that fits the double-din head unit, so hopefully just a couple other little bits and pieces we can get that all put together, and I'll show you what an improvement that makes. I'm hoping with the wireless Android Auto feature, it'll update itself and it'll always stay looking at least somewhat relevant, at least for the time I'm going to have the car. So stick with me, I'll kind of show you what I get, and hopefully it ends up being as good a deal as I hope. Well guys, I went ahead with the meeting here, and this is what I got. This is the Pioneer AVHW 4400NX. It's discontinued, it's a little bit older now, I think 2019, but it was a little higher end one at the time. The main thing I wanted to use it for, like I said, is wireless Android Auto, which it says it does great. I need to go ahead and get some of the adapters, which I've ordered for the wiring harness to get it installed. I will go ahead and link a video here that kind of shows all the issues with installing it. This is definitely one of the things I love about Corvettes in general, especially a little bit older ones, still kind of modern but just a little bit older. The parts are very accessible and very obtainable. There's always people getting rid of stuff, either from like this guy that wrecked his car and was trying to part it out, or people that are upgrading, or whatever it is. At this point, there's enough old parts out there that you can get some upgrades from factory for some really decent prices. So you guys can do your own research whenever you're watching this video and find out what this head unit's going for, you know, at that time. But as of the time of this video, the head unit is still being sold for around $600, best I can find online for a new one. I paid $200 for this one, which is a pretty substantial discount, assuming it works, and obviously the risks you take buying used equipment, I get that. So we will see. I did have to buy the $10 wiring harness that comes with it, or is supposed to come with it, that didn't, which is not a big deal. The access interface system, the big wiring harness that makes the C5 Bose factory premium sound system work with this head unit, ran me about 50 bucks. There's a bunch of new ones of those available. They're plentiful at this time. So, and I think I paid, I want to say it was about $130 for the console bezel piece. So all in all, I'm into this radio upgrade for less than it would cost me just to buy a brand new head unit. And that's kind of been the story for the whole car, and one thing I love about these things. So hope you guys agree. Let me know if you guys have found any deals or attempted any sort of upgrades like this before and how it's worked out. Again, I have that video linked at the beginning of the channel. Should give you guys an idea of what you're in for. Okay, so we made it home, and I just want to show you what I got real quick. So this is what I was describing, the Pioneer AVHW 4400 NEX. You can see what it stands for there. This has the wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay screen mirroring abilities. See, it's already got the mounting brackets on the side that came with it. I'll give you guys a little look at the trim piece I have here. Set that up there. take a look at it. So there's looks like a couple makers of these. This I got off Amazon. Some people mention that they're painting this unit with a special paint that matches the GM interior. And I think we're gonna have to do that as well, because this does look a little light compared to what's in the car. It does have kind of that soft finish on it, but I will go ahead and order the paint. The only other things we need for this is the wiring adapters. There's both the Pioneer factory harness that comes with this unit that was wired into the car that it came out of, so I did not get that piece. That was $10 on eBay for a brand new one. I've ordered that. I've also ordered the Access bridge wiring harness to go to the Bose sound system. Like I said, that was just under 50 bucks. And that's available on Amazon, eBay, a bunch of sources. So pretty soon we're gonna have everything we need to go ahead and mount this to the car. So stay tuned, that'll be in a video coming hopefully pretty soon, because that is a much needed upgrade. So as always, appreciate you guys watching 4K Motoring. Again, I'm Chris, stay tuned, please like and subscribe, and we'll be back.